Hello, Smart TS Excel users. In this video, I will be showing you our artificial intelligent assistant. When you log into Smart TS Excel, the assistant will automatically pop up on the right. For this demo, I will show you how you can get results with just a few clicks. Let's start by clicking on Impact Analysis. Then I will choose Search Driven Analysis because I have a term to search for, which is invalid user. Next, the assistant wants to know where I would like to search. I could pick anywhere, or I can limit by the language, or I can limit by an environment, system, application, and more. I could also limit to just mainframe. For this example, I will choose any, and then I will click on all hits. From here, everything is automated. The system will select the data types, type in the search result, retrieve the results, and produce the report for you. You can see that with just a few simple clicks, you will get the results you are looking for. Thanks for watching.